Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm one of the librarians in the Teen Services Department. Welcome to my home garden. All summer long, we're going to be posting different videos and tutorials for your own home garden. Maybe crafts, activities, how to keep your garden growing, how to have a safe, clean, environmentally friendly garden, and as well as just different activities you can do along with your family. One of the best parts about having a home garden is being able to just enjoy it for its peace and quiet. Today's Gardening Together at Home program is Storytime in the Garden. Down in the dirt is a whole busy world of earthworms and insects, digging and building and stirring up soil. They're already working down in the dirt. Up in the garden, we snap brittle stalks, scoop rustly armfuls, and wheel away weeds for the chickens. While they squabble and scratch, we spread compost over the soil. Down in the dirt, pillbugs chew through last year's leaves. I give a gentle poke, they roll up tight, hide in their pleated suits of armor, roly-poly round. Up in the garden, it's time to plant. I trail a furrow with my finger and sprinkle seeds in carefully now. Give them a drink, Nana says. We pat them down to snuggle in the dark. Down in the dirt, a tomato hornworm rests, waiting for wings, and leaves where she'll lay her eggs. Up in the garden, carrot plants sprout, pea blossoms bloom, wasps are on the prowl, and honeybees visits, legs filled with pollen. I weed and wilt in the sun so strong, even Nana looks for shade. Down in the dirt, earthworms tunnel deep, I'm jealous of their cool, damp, dark. Up in the garden, rain shower, Nana turns the hose on me. I hide behind the cucumber vines, but the leaves can't save me. I shiver and laugh, drenched in Nana's rain. Down in the dirt, water soaks deep. Roots drink it in, and a long-legged spider stilt walks over the streams. Up in the garden, there's so much to eat. Ladybugs feast on aphids. Nana crunches green beans. I bite into a ripe tomato, warm from the sun, as juice dribbles down my chin. Down in the dirt, a robin's beak finds a cricket, a beetle, a grub. Slugs are scrumptious too. Up in the garden, we pick cukes and zucchini, harvesting into the dark. Bats swoop through the sunflowers, and I pluck June bugs and the basil until it's time for bed. Down in the dirt, a skunk works the night shift. They shuffle and dig and gobble cutworms while I sleep. Up in the garden, a praying mantis wakes to hunt mosquitoes. Nana sprays away aphids, and I'm after the grasshoppers. Ready to swoosh, but snap! Someone else is faster. Down in the dirt, a smooth, shining gator snake crunches on supper. Up in the garden, the wind growls cool, pumpkins blush orange, and sunflowers bow to September. Nana ties them together, building a house for reading. Down in the dirt, an orb weaver spins her web, strand by silky strand. She'll munch on moths tonight. Up in the garden, colored leaves litter the squash vines, and we know the cold is coming. Hurry, hurry and harvest. There's enough for the neighbors too. Down in the dirt, frantic ants gather what we leave behind. They're storing food for colder days ahead. Up in the garden, frost draws lace on leftover leaves where secret egg sacs hang, waiting for the warmth to return. We say goodbye, and we spread the winter blankets. Down in the dirt, beetles burrow, ants scurry home, earthworms curl tight in the dark. When Grandpa calls upon us for soup, an autumn moon is rising. Up in the garden, dry cornstalks tremble, the wind smells like winter, but the long ripe days of summer will still rest in the garden beds. The ladybugs and bumblebees and earthworms and ants are hunkered down, hiding, biding their time. Dreaming of sunshine and blossoms and sprouts. Under the bare arms of the trees and the blanketing snow, a whole new garden sleeps, down in the dirt. I hope everyone enjoyed today's story, and we'll see you next time for our Gardening Together at Home program, DIY Seed Bombs.